Hello! Today we're diving straight into the heart of Mexico's food culture. And trust me, this is not just food, this is a full-on flavor adventure. From busy street corners to family-run kitchens, Mexico is alive with aromas of sizzling meat, fresh corn, smoky chilies, and vibrant spices. The moment you step onto the streets of Mexico City, your senses wake up instantly. Everywhere you turn, there's something cooking, something grilling, something bubbling away, and every smell pulls you closer. Mexican food isn't quiet or subtle. It's bold, loud, colorful, and completely unforgettable. We have to start with tacos, because tacos are the soul of Mexican cuisine. A taco may look simple, but don't let that fool you. A warm corn tortilla, freshly made, topped with juicy meat, chopped onions, fresh cilantro, and then finished with a spoonful of salsa, that's where the magic happens. Take tacos al pastor, for example. Pork marinated in spices, stacked on a vertical spit, slowly roasting as pineapple juices drip down, creating a perfect balance of smoky, sweet, and savory. Or carne asada tacos, where beef is grilled over charcoal until smoky and tender, sliced thin and served hot. One bite and you immediately understand why tacos are eaten every single day here. Next up are tamales, one of Mexico's most traditional comfort foods. Tamales are made from masa, a soft corn dough filled with chicken, beef, cheese, or even sweet fillings, then wrapped in corn husks or banana leaves and steamed until tender. Opening a tamale feels like unwrapping a gift. The steam rises, the aroma hits you, and the texture is soft, moist, and incredibly satisfying. People eat tamales for breakfast, lunch, and during celebrations, and every region has its own variation, making this dish deeply connected to Mexican culture and family traditions. Then we move on to quesadillas, which may sound familiar, but in Mexico, they're on a whole different level. Fresh corn tortillas are folded over fillings like melted cheese, mushrooms, squash blossoms, chicken, or spicy peppers, then cooked on a hot griddle. The tortilla crisps slightly, the cheese melts perfectly, and the result is simple but insanely delicious. In some parts of Mexico, quesadillas don't automatically include cheese, which surprises visitors, but once you taste the fillings and salsas, it all makes sense. When it comes to soups, pozole is an absolute must-try. Pozole is a rich, hearty soup made with hominy corn and slow-cooked pork or chicken. The broth is deep, comforting, and full of flavor. It's served with fresh toppings like shredded cabbage, sliced radishes, lime wedges, and dried chili, allowing you to customize every bowl. Pozole is often enjoyed during festivals and family gatherings, and every spoonful feels warm, nourishing, and deeply traditional. Street food in Mexico would not be complete without elote. Elote is corn on the cob, grilled or boiled, then coated with mayonnaise, crumbled cheese, chili powder, and a squeeze of lime. The combination is unreal. Creamy, spicy, tangy, and slightly smoky all at once. If you want something easier to eat, there's esquites, which is the same corn served in a cup with all the toppings mixed in. It's addictive, messy, and absolutely worth it. For breakfast, chilaquiles are a true Mexican classic. Fried tortilla chips are simmered in red or green salsa until slightly softened, then topped with cheese, cream, onions, and often a fried egg or shredded chicken. Chilaquiles are comforting, flavorful, and the perfect way to start the day. Every household and restaurant has its own version, making this dish feel personal and homemade wherever you eat it. Now, let's talk about something sweet. Churros. Churros are long fried dough sticks rolled in sugar and often served with thick chocolate sauce for dipping. Fresh churros are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and completely irresistible. Eating hot churros from a street stand in the evening with the city buzzing around you is one of those simple food moments you never forget. Finally, we have to talk about mole, one of the most complex and iconic sauces in Mexico. Mole is made with over 20 ingredients, including dried chilies, spices, nuts, seeds, and sometimes even chocolate. It's rich, dark, and incredibly layered in flavor. Typically served over chicken, mole isn't sweet or spicy in a single direction. It's deep, balanced, and constantly surprising. Every bite reveals something new, and it represents generations of culinary tradition passed down through families. Mexican food is not just about eating, it's about connection, history, and celebration. It brings people together around tables, on sidewalks, and in markets. Every dish tells a story, every bite carries tradition, and every meal feels alive. If you love food, Mexico is one of those places where every single day becomes a delicious journey, full of unforgettable flavors, warm smiles, and moments that stay with you long after the last bite.